Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get this pet incubator item for free in Grow a Garden Very Update Part 2. Okay, let's get into it guys. If you want to get this item for free, you can go to the egg shop, and then I'm going to teleport to the egg shop using recall wrench. Okay, and then we can go to this NPC, and you're going to feed this NPC with the food you have cooked up, and I recommend you to feed him with prismatic or transcendent food, so it will be faster to unlock a new level. Okay, you can go to your food item, and then you can submit your item here. Submit your food. Just click on feed. Okay, and then you can unlock new level, and I need to wait for about 8 hours guys, because it has cooldown time, and the cooldown time is 24 hours. Okay, and after you feed him with the food you have cooked up, you will unlock new level, and you can get the pet incubator at level 2. Okay, and then I'm going to go back to my garden and show you how we can use the pet incubator. You guys, after you get this item, you can go to your cosmetic inventory, and then you can place this incubator on your garden, and then you can add your pet here. And as you can see, I have already added my bee. Okay, and then you can fill the fuel with fruits or any plants. For example, I'm going to use beanstalk. Okay, and you can click on submit fuel. Okay, and this pet incubator can help you to level up your pet guys. And oops, where's my pet? I'm going to add my pet. Okay, we can insert pet here. Okay, and now my pet is at level 54. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.